Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you some of the items that I have purchased for summers. All products that I'm going to share in this video will be listed down below. So in case if you want to check them out, you can go and buy them. So the first thing I've got is this Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. It's from the Body Shop. It's my one of the favorite face washes, especially for summers. It has such a cooling sensation and it's gonna just freshen you up in a minute. The next thing I got is this body wash. It's from Khadi and it's called Khadi Herbal Body Wash. The flavor is lavender and ylang ylang. It smells so relaxing and you'll definitely love having bath from this. Then the next thing I've got is of course a body spray, and it's from Engage and it's blush 24 hours. This one is for women and I just love its pink color. Then the next stuff I've got is a shampoo. This one is from L'Oreal Professionals. This one is specially designed to keep your hair straightened and it has pro-keratine that helps in reconstructing your damaged hair. Then I have this hair mask from L'Oreal Professionals and the same Extenso series. Again, to keep your hair straightened, nourished and shiny. Who doesn't love good looking hair? I only use this Extenso shampoo and hair mask once a week when I'm feeling like pampering my hair. For my regular hair wash, I've also got two different shampoos. So the first one is again from L'Oreal Professionals. This one is from Expert series and it's called Absolute Repair Lipidium. Then the second shampoo I've got is a little budget friendly. This one is from Tresemme. It's called Split Remedies. And this shampoo helps in getting rid of any breakages you have in your hair. Then the next thing I've got is this hair serum. Again from L'Oreal Professionals. It's called Liz Unlimited. I kinda trust L'Oreal for all their hair care products. It has this pump thing that actually controls the product that is coming out of the bottle. You don't need it much. You have to apply a very little amount on your wet hair after you wash your hair to keep your hair shiny and frizz-free all day long. Then I've got this makeup remover which you need in all seasons. This one is from Lakme Absolute. It removes all kind of waterproof makeup and it's very gentle on your eyes also, so you can use it without worries. Then I've got this heat protection spray for my hair. This one is from Schwarzkopf's Gliss Hair Repair. This cares and protects your hair and I apply it when I'm using any heating equipment on my hair, when I'm straightening, curling or absolutely doing any style on my hair. So after applying this generously on my hair, my heating equipment causes less damage to my hair. Then I've got this scrub from Himalaya Herbals. This one is purifying neem scrub with antibacterial properties. So in summers we tend to get oily, sweaty throughout the day. So after every alternate days I like to scrub my face with this herbal scrub to keep my skin healthy and glowy. Then I've got this hair oil from Khadi Ayurvedic Hair Oil. This one is rosemary and henna flavor. It promotes hair growth and it's paraben free and it has no mineral oil. So it has all the goodness that your hair needs. I typically like to apply my hair oil after every 3 to 4 days. Depending on what I have to do next day, I like to keep it overnight so my hair gets all the nourishment that it has to get from this oil. So that's all for today, and I'll try to do a separate reviews for all the products. If you like this video, then let me know by hitting the thumbs up button down below, and also tell me which products you use in the comment section. I would love to know what you use for your summer products. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.